magkakaroon sila ng Christmas lighting activity here at Bustan Village. So right now we are hearing and watching their performances as they sing their Christmas carols.
The next one is Angels. We have her.
Good evening, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you to our annual Christmas celebration for Christmas. I'd like to invite everyone to join us here for our Christmas carol. We are distributing QR codes that you can scan through your phones, so you can join in and sing with us. QR codes are available here at the desk or at the right front desk. You can scan them and all those songs will be there, so you can join us and sing our Christmas carols. There are also flyers that's being distributed. You can get those for We are about to start. We'd like to invite everyone to join us here in front of the recreation for the Christmas carol.
Nasa na si Dina sa kasi Moody?
Okay, I see you. I'm going to see you. No, it's okay.
Nasa na sila tayo? Kung naghahabulan. Scan. Yeah, we did. We wait for Hamudi and Dina here.
After the Christmas carol, we're also inviting everyone to join us for our Christmas activities. We have our train ride, of course, the bouncy castles inside the ride. We'd like to ask for Hannah. We have Hannah here, who's actually lost. We asking for the parents to come over here and check on her. Her name is Hannah. We call the attention of Hannah's parents. He's here. Again, we'd like to call the attention of Hannah's parents. She's here at the front of the recreation.
We can go. You need to wait for Hamudi and Dina. Yes. They're singing Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Di pa muna tinagalan, ba? Done one party Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you ride my sleigh tonight? And if you ever saw it,
Shut up! I hate when she's running.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. You know what? All the way go, laughing all the way. Children scream, taking jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells. Another song. We wait. We need to wait for Antar.
Wait, Antar for me. 5 to 10 to 20. Where did you mean the more ice cream in the bumpers? What? Yeah, there's a lot of ice cream. Wow!
Not just ice cream.
Ice cream there's no.
Halak, halak. Popcorn.
Didn't you want? I will come with you. Don't you can I come with you in the bumpers? Yeah, let's go now.
Oh, come ye, oh faithful.
Didi, we don't have money. Don't order yet. We don't have cards.
Ye faith, joyful and triumphant. Papas na lang ako doon. ka namin ay nagayaya na maglumakad. So, Merry Christmas everyone! Hope this Yuletide season will bring you so much love and joy with your family and friends all together. Stay safe. I love you. This is all.